Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn a horizontal video into a vertical one by using CapCut. So first, you just need to import the horizontal video that you want to edit, and then just head to ratio and change its format into a vertical video, for example the 9:16 format. Click on a check icon, and there are two things that you can do here to make the video fits into the canvas. You can zoom in or you can crop the video. So here I'm going to zoom in first. Click on the video on a timeline and pinch out like this. Zoom in the clip, and here you can just adjust which part that you want to show in the clip, for example like this, and you are done. So that's the first way. And the second way is you can just click on the clip and then head to edit, click on crop and choose the same format 9:16. Adjust it by pinching out like this, then click on a check icon and then zoom in the clip again so that it fits into the canvas like so. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to click on the thumbs up icon, leave a comment, click on subscribe and click on the thanks. Bye.